Yes, indeed, Odoniwa, Meda and Odoniwa, any song qua. My mama, Mema Jo, Namema Kuba, and from Odo Ahomaso. I Miniaba ABY, Medasio, say ya. Na ene wukwe wo to say, Minimisa who yet do. What the Eradia say, and I refu ho, Anne, Yade Baba Akuma Mazimi ba, make highwo, Emma ye to ye, Emma Bibia say, come off a fair, de. And ever bon come and come on the bed de. Our demon come and Pema grow, emu and come. Yeah. De. You know. Me da say, esa biom. Say ya, say, me da say. Masa buni come say fe. I taxi driver for Emma. Yeah, Emma, once more to say, I security agency near police, any a soldier for Munyan Croy. Me mamunina kwabo adamase akwantu fo munyina muti Odo Ahomaso if said there could be no be to kwakwa jawa de wo kwakwa bo ne yere enso nyame a opa ade yie emra wo kono ka na o tren mu no na wo muti Odo Ahomaso enu nti emane san chi ama ne jan sem nyama ne kaaye ema onya nyansa bi onya wisdom any okrun ekasaye onya wisdom any oyene kasaye ene mienu nyina sakra ama wade na se ayede ama enigye abafie ho enti saa na wonso tia Odo Ahomaso a ebebo yi ankasankasa bosome odo bosome nini the cook the chef Auntie Emilia
Hakuma
net say
bacha you na so e
boko me do o color of your dress now
that's it.
Colors in your woman.
Colors,
That's my coat of many colors that my mama made for me. Fatao. I'm out to nepie come. That's saying, yo. Any abesha say, I brand be papa be or fabi and our best trying. Also, a tea of Odo watch a pa. And my program, they cry, also, man, I can do me some kakra. They say they are 12 so. I'm an I say, come off a fair, and I won't.
Papa.
The month of love. Odobo sumi muni. Osha from Anosene Ebono. When Indian ehu was so dear neti.
Me woni amanka kakra.
Nima bensa.
Oh, out ne TV so ne ade. Utum say bibi boba.
Bibi boba.
Akabe 5 days or 6 days penaja.
Bibi boba.
Na
the boba no. Ba be ye se echire nkofu ba be sun. Emma babe soon. Remember be babe soon. Ye babe nya unwanted pregnancies be. Me. Ye babe say it's either switched off or it's out of coverage area. And now who say babe negative. The negative will be more than the positive sana.
Akuma ne o kan de as a unim. Valentine adebia ye show love. Emma ye hu. Ti say na edibro nya ya. What as who show love a che onyanku. But I don't interest there. Kwa near me be a fe ebe wie na odo ha kwese nsoswe bi mu. E odo na ye show. Na odo na ye show no enye adwomansem. E na enye agro di bi jeta odo bi a ami weti ma fro bi a wo hye no no ne ade but enye se obe se wo ho ana se bibia obe wie na afei akofa oha bi ababeto so enye kotidie asem but ene ebi mu di ayesa.
Enye kotidie ni atwedi asem.
So mo di ayesa. Attending to different thing altogether.
Valentine, e wo ho ansa na ewu abinum.
So the way almost sumu no. Just ano nyane.
Odofo. Maybe atomobo say every 14 February and on be breaking maybe virginity. It may be so atomobo say every vast day no and on be jinkrofo kun no. Ebin so atombo say every vast day no and on beji ebin mo yire no mo ebin so your madwen say every vast day bia and on banyim obi and ebin so worry vast day and you say ja ebin so vast day I said what worry vast day you say ja vast day
ja dey ya
madam will be sending me video of a friend's marriage ceremony. Now I niama call so engagement na se. Traditional marriage na se. And you know I accepted anka betimi esi wo no. Almost like a white wedding can. Now I said the niama ne call and I look at this video and I'm sending it back to the video and say, "Hey, I wish Akuma mama Zimbi. I wish say niama mo ye e wo efia wade no esan ye hwese na nije wo he anka always no enije no be wo hosa anasa baako efun baako a wo be kai say nije bi no na we jai amanaka
Akuma sanka wa ready anka sa na nka tie baako fun a na wo de ache no obi a miwura me pa cho me ye biem no dasem no dasem ganya ntokwa what you say aware ye mansotwe a bi obaako be fun baako a na ye manso tintin so many days na mon kasa e ba sa ne dia emfa asumdwe e ma aware no mu aware ye odo asumdwe na ese mo de tena nti se na mo sa ase ne sa na ese ekusi aware ye akwantu tintin pa eni awie age se owuo na be tete mo ntem nti se mo ware na montment suensu aniema bia tam bia no wansi bi beba aware enum but won say ba ne sa o say mutibi dom ho because wo do ni ba ntina akọ ware no
just say
wo tena se oba ate be ma se be ma so te oba ase na bibia akoso pepepe because ya kwantu obi a ewapa ye nkonsan san yeti
debi
ye nkonsan ma ebi wontina say oba befi o ma me no papa wono makọ ye hu number akọ di se munya bom wiea na se hu se wo fa ne se wunua wo bibia wo hawa fa ne se wo papa ono so fa ne se ne ma me ne wo bibia makamuti abom no maye enya ntokwa eye onua wote wo se nua
mate me dan say me ne ba ma twa akonya ne bre eja ohoho bia ne de brubi ne ye bro no eti ma mi sa okwan so na eti say
nyame Adom ho ye
me pa mo twa nya obani o ma mo hwe Adom FM Facebook no be ma na aka sa sesi o be me na eti say
e pa cha me ho ye
why be there
Odo Ahomaso de Odo Ahomaso de oh hey be me ni na eti say
onyankopon Adom ho ye pa
wow e pa cho di fi say
odi fi aduasanu
35 years what worry
me ni obi wo hobo ye na ye ya ware ye na
is a wo chimp na
ya share dress
washa dress
ya share your dress papa
sawa ho yo aha de boko na anwumre so unim se multimedia de so na me re musa na eja yes menya hoho ti me pie so me say okay ma memra hoho anya ayi de na ede na de upie Odo Ahomaso ene anwumre
de me pie de
bedi
ayo boko
yo
I'm say Valentine Day nim I was say 14th 13th and 14th you go di Valentine no and no I can ho and I feel so insane do ho and ni nyina kra no en kan fia no mama kuma why ya dia boa o my Ghana me so me ka ho
sa
so aboa me pa
wow
aboa me pa why ya dia
e nyame na aye edi na Odo Ahomaso eni akuma aya aboa wo
okay if it bra we share program yase Wednesday and Saturday that crocro ni we fam kon ho
sa ye be na share Odo Ahomaso ase
okay I know dem because me hunu year no potia na me boa by almost 18 years ni ana
okay wo share city no wo share city Odo Ahomaso ye be
me share city ye de due to school no na that me share say be 10 years ni
wow anyway tie bi anyway tie bi okay year 2019 we dey na Odo Ahomaso edi 19 solid years ye kan ye rade ayo okay koso
why are there pa
nyame na aye
why are there me koko hunu abayewa bi me ne no ehihia ware pese ye tu aware anamo
okay
babayewa no ebia on pese me di ni libetu
oh men fa din tudwa to koso
na sani ewusi kan ye no odo me me so me do no enya sam ketwa
sa
enso ne bri nyina no ofoso me say ono me so me radio ono be press me say yenso radio no so ono so me so ko press me say yenso ne nyina yatie abom
na tie de yen
yatie Odo Ahomaso
ayo
na bri nyina sa ne monhyam dross no meka e de a kire Ghana fo eno mo na obi a wotie say say dross no eboa pa ono obatia monhyam dross si monhyam dross ya onyankopo twere mpon boss na sase no enhyira biara woso wodi mamo no odbamam yenhya ye dross no aboa ye ni nhyira ne nioma ne kwan a wo biebie mayen no obi biara wo tie me ba biara no se wunyanye oba no ho ade nko ade a ya mechira no se munyina monhyam dross oba wo tie me ne dei bomodin so obehya dross udross ni hyemu no eboa papa eboa bema no asan so boa oba no eboa busuani nyina the moment amo hyam dross no the moment amo kata mo ho asie no the more na onyankopon so tirimpo eba mu amamu mienu mama kuma waya de
nyame na ye
obi a wo tie me abonten no mo modern se so onye oba no ho ade nko ade a omo hyam dross no mu hunu kwan a anase nyame bebie kwan amama omo dwe hu kura omo enti ase
yo
enti dross ya nyame bie kwan pa
nyame bie kwan amama ho ti woni abaiwa nete ana oti baabi na nso ti baabi
mene nete
woni nete
mene nete
esa anwumre bia kwache sori o
obe ni day Bible anatwe kronkron akase onipa de osese utimi control ho I free be self control so you obo so you be mo o si yen control ye ho so you Kristo ni mapanko ade a even kra no woka e wo twesem say se oba ekọ na wo hwe ne to na ma okondo na so ma okoti sorry a ana obe ma ne sorry a eno kra mpo no afandada ne how much more say we be hwe no ma ho sorry na obe hwe oba ni nakedness ana se ne wasi ayi ne hu no ma obe ma sorry ohun ni nyina de meka de akwakwisi ni say Bible say yen share ye ho so enunti wa hye ne ho so a enya sanketua
okay
so ma hye me ho so a enya asamketua
ye da say wo say o fie de ni den
e fra me boatin
nana boatin me da say se wanya akukuduro no wetutu anamon e de aba Adom FM studios Odo Ahomaso a ene woni wunu aba abai di impu akuma mama zimbini nyame adomi amenie se de metie se ya ena metie na me de papa woni ababa we twempna mfi ahene
okay meni na twempra bese
afini
bese
afini ena one wo nete
woni minute
okay minim se enkradua mu hayi Kumase Takrade Abrochire ekrobia so Emma bebre ne memate. Emma bebre ne mate. Ebia nwa omo ho na ebia na omo twempena. What boy be so? Me the education be by. Sesi enwa wo a hye wodros. Wo se apo amo. Ena mo nso nyina na mote. Enti ekwan ben no mamfa so amode abom ho ban because uye nipa. Mojedi umu afrosane. Enti wo ye den a wo kote no ebe sorry. Enti sorry den na moye wo mia wo ho bosso eda anase mo mantam ho ekisi mo ho na mom edie na munnim ho we want to know na yen hwe se de kwampa na wo fa so no anase den se be ya ebetimi na aboa ye nyina so ho because Odo Ahomaso ne de we educate, we inform, and we also entertain.
Yo mama me da se bebre me ne neti dam se de me di kan ekaye no by anam se me yo Kristo ni mapa no abawa no se ye Kristo ni mapa ni nti abri na abri nyina ne try say bit me ashare ho so obra ye mfa keys ni those kind of touches ni adade no emam empanifo ka bi se hwrema na twetwe dwom
eba
nti da mo be ka so kisi ana se o kwa kotache ana so ko different bi no onhwa na bibi akwakopaja enunti abrina nyina no matter what no me try say me control me ho se kwaku amani mu so a eno ans me de me kana tare baabi a o de bai on kire ne se on tare ho ne bra ne de bai enso ye do oba ne maame ana na busuafo nim me enim se owo me nchen mes mabusuafo binom enim se abaria no owo me nchen enso me ni nyina akọ argument se e pese ye ware na se me ye ne ho ade eye bibia wie ansa na ye betu se anamo no a ana se me de me ho beka no ana ye se de me kan wate ase ye bedidi ye ho saa no ansa na ye be ya ye enu nti enye easy enso me try se me hye me ho so na ma control be ma no ma control me be ma no nyame so eguso wo hire pa
okay o ka se nyame hira mo na o hira mo kwan ben so
o hira ye utimi se ba bi ekwan ni no odi ekwan etuto sesi obi ne di o kakra na wani na ho so kra na se woni pakra na dwe so wontua ba se wo hwa na wafro usika no afede ready o minsan ma wa na so baba beje no akwa ede akwa
je say ekwan bia ma na niema achechire no and then me can say the bad yokes have been broken.
Exactly.
And they're not breaking yoke fire 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 yeah
first na me bomb fire na me hye de hunya me yie
okay
enso fiti bra o ti ase so obehye ne dross me nso me gitu nso me hye me dross
just na Canada na mudi mo ho pa
ani me na da o
na mo bu pan ye
ye di abre
me da say
bye ye tiewu na wo kan na to yakoma so no so to no akoma so no o ka se hye dross no in fact eto makoma so
you
ano no so eto na kuma so
hallelujah
amen na ato na kuma so ne menso ato ma kuma so no ti no ani ma ye mienu ye tena ye plan ye say ye beji atum say ye be hye ye dross
okay
if say ebeboa ye ni se ni wo esi ediketi amanfo no senko bia beji atum ni ema no ma hye mo dross emima no so ka ho mama ye kan nya man kwan sham dross
Debbie o
baby ho be hye ni dross no be ma no force ni attack ya huro de be
kono so no and the busumi odobusumi eremu said the meme be attack maybe na maybe so attack maybe na papa fo bi so attack nkwala bi no enya grow
enya sam ketwa ye be ba ho say Valentine Day no ye
ba yo
ye be ba eno so
yo me da se papa adeshimai ma menua ba na Boaten right menua ba ma e sa woni woni akwa me so ba menua ba ma na Boaten e na motenene wati Odo Ahomaso for so many years and won pratwe mu 1 year and more but nyame adom wati Odo Ahomaso da and as I say there Ahomaso mo dross o se ekwan biema no e manti ase ye adwuma e ma enche awade ne ebeba ti onya ekuduro awura ene abaye nchen e wo Adom FM Odo Ahomaso serious ne we omo hwe Facebook ne de omo ani age papa omo hwe no se de e kọ no but all the testimony e na aba say it pays to wait, it pays to listen, it pays to take time to know each other, and many other things, many other doors will be opened for you. All right, yebeko ene enkomo so. Yo, ye bisa se ekwan be na befa so na we put your partner in the mood. Ansa na be fie. Ansa na edie no so akoso. Aba wa ho line no. Na
akuma won say edie ni die sana ye kan no udof me say me dofu ni ho a ono a say oba oni say bia na die bia esemesi sana ofrefre me die o pe bia age ase no ho
sound
yes
eto bia course no
say de na wadu he kakra na wo he na wache na die adan ono so beti me bi sana na ofrefre me sa me say anya hwe won say enche 30 minutes 15 minutes wasan afre what me pay mo ka chere say me de na de me feel wo nti yentem na bra na me twen wo ene ye bedi
okay say no I can straight the atuna dream
straight na me de atuna dream because e bia na ono na dream ni so nti say me ka chere no oba no hu say o wa adwuma ye oba no hu say o wa adwuma ye
obi kwa kan say o mo ofie on carry but who say okoshe dwepe na dey aso wa che dodo
say ya ba ho so oba do bedu fia e bi bana oba do bedu fia wo se da bia na wo nware e be na wo twento oba wo de wota wa bo mu ansa kwa de na be si wo wo de si wo wi wa kwa adware beti ma twen no ana ma wawie bi so beti ma kodware wo ba wie ne wadidi awie na wasa ni wa ma onu so aden akwa akodware wa boso pada onu baba na wa boso pada na ote akunyo wa peja na ba ko sugar ba ko
yes am boy twen so pada
yeah boso pada
dey be asem
wo sevu pa na so boso pada akuma wo ye kwata wo ni say den wo bedi
me da say adishima the year 2019 the year of our Lord ekwanya bia ma ye de ne ese Odo Ahomaso no ye nuan mom so abontemu okromo offices topics bia ye be discuss no ye be rua ho no mo so metimi a kire o ma adwen e wo so ye hwe nsem a ye nuan mo kan ye ever the preparing your partner's mind before he or she come home and then just be easy smoothly. Yes, let's go.
And I will nimuye inti me catch and we mpo na maka yesa medan me santa na simple ka ho me nya hu na pe na ma ro me ho nyina na ma kodware na me de my opa hene enso pa na me dan hene na guso ama no and me sorry anopatutu to na dan pesa me esa no ana anopatutu me sorry na me twa na me da sen no sana me dikan na my try no na me da sen ntimi ne so na maka say like my fe no na me won me kalja sa ma fe na onu na pesa me che na sem pesa o me di me ncho ya obesa so pepe.
Normally, you know, yeah, remember I say to say light, in my to say iron, electric iron. So normally with me and my wife, I think I just call to prompt her.
And no pet dog in so far, and me yenny ye mano. I make I answer me penno, and I will nimuye, and me catch and or we impon my kind of madam, Miss Santa na simple count. Me who na pet, no ma rum me honina, no ma good jarry. Na me de my opa henny and so far, no me dying in a good swamano. And then me sorry and a patutu to them, than person me sa no, and a patutu me sorry, and I'm a tram da singing. Sana me dikan my try no na me dey send ntimi so na maka gen say like my fe no na me won me kalja say my fe no onu na person me che na some person o me di me ncho ya obesa so pepe.
Normally, you know, yeah, remember I say to say light, in my to say iron, electric iron. So normally with me and my wife, I think I just call to prompt her. Oh, we have our own terms.
Okay.
It was like mostly, you know, Charlie, I want to visit. Oh, I didn't have person and I say we are person so. That is, and as I she knows my favorite food, and she knows that each time she prepares it well, there is a reward. So. No frame is there. Then I will do it. So, what do you think? No, so I want to also prepare my favorite soup. So, with that one, or maybe I say which one? So we have, you know, the one that you know that when you do it well, a bit more reward way. So that's all with us. You know, that's how we go about it.
Oh, me cruise on up. Sometimes, or better, mommy, and then baby person of course will be a crowd or party. No, they are or their baby chimney. Oh, until the child Mitias say, hey, hey, in the shop. Oh, hello, mommy. And I will go chrome near to saying, oh, yeah, who come. And there be because no swag is yo, Mati. There I am, Temna bra. Oh, and then because you said, oh, Fred, you might be do fear, Mina medical coffee. In Siwa, Ebi or Siwa. Na me so ba so Nile se minim se sa ada no bibi be den ebekọ so. Nti obepie kakra no akwa be nti oba no bisam so do no maduan no se bia me do aduan no esi ho no. Ebi o se na de mpese bia pipi ekoso. Nti waka.
Patro say eba ne sa. One ne be start say romantic bit say like wakai kanyama bia one na ye say last no kai say me na woda no ye say and then me nya side ne bianka enti nka unya say na la last no ye no ka unyi bianka mo obesan ye so o ka bibi gu waso obesan ka bibi gu dan so nti na master was starting na kasa nti oba ya to say oh why ye be ya mede ubi bi sa ya mede ubi bi oh wasene ya mede anase me ponu fu na no manase mpe obabi aso nti obasa no ni se wedi e den agro no be koso
okay oh madam I say na den na koso na adwane no ada na media no masa anko mi yo nti na o say adwane o be sesa no adwane na me ka asem no wa onim wo de enyumre me ba adwane de nya edi no kitchen there different from nya ebe di inside then there prepare me my yashi that answer ameba wati and ameba this year so all just know that means all 3 or 20 your all 3 or 3 service and then you can say oh nya edi no kitchen there different from nya no anajo di na maker and all you prepared
me hint no me go fear me in the mood, I start touching, I caress, I make her feel even if she's not in the mood. Let me make sure say over 4 years. No one can say friend me say me sana me you know. I don't prepare your mind. I get to you, make sure that I seduce you, make your body wet, and then after I have my way. That's how I go about it. Sometimes who want or more, it takes away the excitement and the surprise. So me if it's a surprise, need to hear me pa.
Hey, what's my weight still? Oh yeah, and go for a cancer more. Even still now, I'm on prepare for mine, but I'm not believing in the surprise. You know the surprise that is great. And I will be so Adriana, and yet the idea where you know na dano the end and do, and then they prepare home, and they no for my man. Can't send me to my summoning, and my mini baby or can't send me channel at the sending. Those things here mean you are risky. Oh, so your body parts. Now we try the assigning no phone no bet me ayira. Baby see what don't be fa. I don't know a man go for a deal to assembly more. And ya and your mo per se. A be your mother de ja and now mo ye bibi never mo phone so. Now a be another for people who umpe we ain't no starting spreading na echo. And to also the idea per different mood. Pen different ways men twa otwa no bio emfa nsane wukuno se sa na be dia endi anka oba be kwa twen o ne ka ne mu ana wa dampa so wa friend wo phone so yes we da no ma hwa de oh na wo be do oba no abe so ehun se na ma be no oba kwa aba na abe sa eno ye nani ehun eno sa na adwin be bodam toto so enti men twitwa ntu phone so wo de send no eno enye too safe apart from that no em say the way na prepare mo partners mind enye bad ana
say akoma idea dey o prepare surprise wo but at times we prepare so an so eboa what I say ma odo no yeso nko wo ho kwat me ya wo dance nipa no idea na adu so wo namba bia wo tim say ene de na we prepare say wo ya wo de agro no news kra no na wo ya wo de
na bibi be bomo accident bi be simu enya accident so owu anabi but e bia na news bi aba
oh say news bi aba e ade a adeko no bia wo mamu mienu nyina nti obeti ase bibi ha okun bia ha o nti adeko no mo beti ase abeti akọ
okay na boatin wo de ma ware akam bisa o but mugusu ampremu ya mo sha mo dross ide wo de tie bi
ebra na yen share dress no
ebra na mo sha mo dross no
ebra na yen share dress
eda so jina wutim ai bra
akuma minya me bisa no question
mo de ma ni wie kasa ebra mo sha mo dross no
ebra yen share dress de no wo ye mama ni gina ho pa na say
Debbie enye de obaya mo ni baju okay kasa wie
Dia no ye manage no ho pa ne se. Amam di hu se wa prepare ne se. Ebi wa mefiri krom beba no. Ono okọ adwuma ansa na me mako.
Okay.
Into oba fi ansa na me maba.
That's right.
Meba no ne powder bi me person mebo powder ni di. Wo di asra na ini so. No oda ho, no otwe me.
Hey.
Debo okra da ohwa. Sa de no be kwaso opese we yi mi no. On sha na ti mpo. Or the strasso. Just like that. I saw a fruit buying would be a yen of fruits ne. No da ho. Na wa when you be boss wa. I have cried you crying you are con.
Aduane mo nya akono.
Aduane no kra wo di dia hye wanu no kra hwe kra nya akono.
Chese wo mpese obedi no kane.
David.
Baba so obedi twa ne kane.
Esa so kokko kofne hye ansa na. Baba be peduane ade egu ye.
Na boaten. Adi o. Yeah. Na o ma me ma uto so ahen.
Oh, me a 9 born.
Na utimi o desa no. Yeah.
Nyaminti.
Osimu gira nso anya bad.
Me da wase.
To be wife na neji wosimu gira no.
Ono so the same thing to omoka say da ye twins ana.
Eh sa. Jama no na wo de pen no.
Oh, me no ka ho. Ba o ktesuban so.
Ni suban ti say.
Ya ti so ono a. Enka me sure si Ghana me man ka ye mre bebre.
Sawa ho. Ma me suban miensa.
Okay. Oyo bia. Oyo boafo.
Oba yo boafo ani e hire say.
Very good. Oyo boafo to the sense say. Ebi okra bi kra mi pia bonten ana me kwaduma na say me wura fie manfa ebia chopon ne anto ana say because 1 minute says me feed no.
That's right.
Manfa sika kra anto ho no. Ono ankasa ebeko ne botom ayi bidia ayaduane ameba me banzo o misa me kapre.
Sa?
Oh, you good. And I feel so. I can't remember there was a time near your wedding. Na me who's Kenyan answer.
Mo your wedding say?
Near ye Mrs. Tobacco.
Oh, okay.
Or your wedding.
Oh, your wedding.
I didn't see me so pa. Me who's Kenyan answer. On one casa, your police got in near the ding now or fa who can ye who be beer, say. Up to now, where me some just a penny cry.
Sir,
or baby or one car. Sanye, I didn't want here, and it's any palm near that in Anka or baby Baymano.
Aje.
And I sent called Bessan down, send a bay of Baymano later on or Becca's Bayman in Tia. And so, a baby dear being dear, eh? I saw from my window.
Ah, sir, or cut your door.
A baby dear. What to me for near Paris cotton? The ma tell a palm your crown, me cry my dream, and also. Just say, oh, you good.
Are good?
Fat top wa, long sleeves are. Me shano, me will be gone. I dear come tell a number, tell a national swap on the same.
Auntie, yeah, me shall put more. It's a mouse surprise.
Surprise, papa. Ah, say, a man in a gun, a man not to say or no. And Kameka say, o nipa don't say Kuma, nipa do a nipa. Eh, be a ne, as time goes on. Nani suban bi or baba dani suban bi adi amani nyu de by currently and as a CA dear betna ka se man nyina te so no dia ene enka me manka eye enka me manka ye ni program sa
se man nyina te se wa koto ya kanya ni sa mo bre yo
kanya ni se ye bre
papa bi yo mate hey nana boatin yo
ani o akuma na de ba ko so mama ni sa gino ho
eh wono no
goodbye
amon fortress yo mo hihye nani nyi o chese nani nyi ho ever since me share again ebra oba mi chen from there na wo hihye tra na wo unity
oh baba tra she na nya bone o
enya bone o
enya trousers she enya bone so do na nani nyi ho anya enya hwe but trousers she enya bone se na me gira ha me she nika what you say me shirt trousers and enya bone and to say ono na nani enyu say dia and enya hwe
okay the first me change na say ono dress naturally sanye osi efa na husu no ana osi efa na hupie sanye osi fa no kwasa na dade no dress naturally enu ntia mama ni nso je
eje no pa yo naturally that means your makeup wearing very light bibia light like doing it very natural
natural
wow
natural Me feeling rough.
Fesia. Me bonya me so mpa esa odo na odo no. E betina ho sa ahwi ensi. Ewie. Adeshimaima Odo Ahomaso nie Adom 106.3 FM with your one and only Akuma Mama Zimbi, the love doctor, the sex doctor. One day me simon koso en komo counseling ni nyina nwie. Na mo komo counseling ni nyina wie a afmo ba sex doctor ho. Na me de mafa edie mu emfiti ase mfimfin baby abeja akodu munsu aba baby abeja akodi kra san abetwa so baba na oba no feeling it sa baba na bema no so kwat ni gina sa me kwa na metimi a kire wo obi be ni ho a obekire wo enye easy etimi da se wugusu tie wate mo me penifo gina mutie medam asio Adam ase we are fan nyinara magye atomu medam ase stamase ye pa yo me enko nsam no a ye nuan mo kan no in fact makasa atwa na ye twa design de enye
akoma no de enye enei enkola ni ade ye phone su kura da we enkola timi fa omo ma kwan kura me back 4 years kura just say wo hwa no aba mama me phone mo game no wa fa na office wo mo miemia no mo ko hu we and they very risky nti ebe ya omo fast star foforo
ena me share ni dia me share no betra hwe
what say
star na me share si betra hwe
say
want me say the only betwa wo twa ana obai ma no
yeah
and your ban e kwa
sa
what's that all the
kwa na ma friend no
there be phone no friend no o say me simpa show o ma hade ma me
ko ba na wa bie ma o bo so para na da ho
o say na ma bie we o ba kwa aba na e sa
be no be di
dan aju be bodam
so na o twa ne den de enye isi ate phone right na obi hu we a e be ha adwen nti o mo fast star for no mo ye sas na bebre de ma bebre wo mo betimi aye eno de bad
bad wo
bad
yo me na minute no down kakra ana ebie na menkenkan de and some enkrofo kan ye me nua ba bi chiro say ono de love say for me I will send him a text and the text alone prepares his mind and you me Instagram page they may glance through be na make can yo and it'll be say no I love surprises so when he sees me early at home she knows certainly we will make love yes
I said akuma ade no so no ni nyina agina odo
ade be edie no so ye mo so hwe
edie no ne aware no ne edie no ni nyina agina eniema bi so say odo so odo eba mu say aware a odo nimu no akuma sa na me nyina entimi mbam
ma edie ne nye de
o say obi wo hokra na wo try say wo twena adwen ba so no na otwetwe ne ho otaze bete die no yesa wo prepare wa adwen yesua edie ne yesua wonni mu kura na shase kura na atam say yesa wo de kwete ne be se twere mu nko ampo ehun propro wa kura na otimi ma wo satisfy ehun propro ne nya otimi ye satisfy nti ne nyina ne say odo no munya mo be do mo mo be ti odo na se na wo be ti o partner ne nso ase bia me ye ashinwe ya no partner se o mi kun so ye ashinwe ya partner me etede bia me be say me titi mi kwa me timi fa na shirt se enko me ba ti me yire me ho
wo fa wo kun shirt se wo se so for so for ata de she
fa se enko me so me fa se ma button ba akokwa na me tuma na ma tum na te ho na ma bo me no fu ba na ma bie he na eda so
sa
me bie ha ikakra na eda so nti ha ne de ye funu so de o ba na eda so nti o didi nyama ko dora ba o didi nyina na ma me sugar me number ako
de upra no
papa me sugar ba ako umpo ene ubedi
obisi science and wonders
asem se si aduane mu no na ne nsa ba ako so kata ade no so utimi se
and utimi fa no kura ni di
o tete no just
mani ndidi
o tete no papa no
okay Goni says send him a text or call him saying something sweet to him or her and that alone will make up his mind. Wonderful. All right, Princess said I wish to talk to you. Hi Princess, I will send my number to you, okay? All right. Bang 1 sir. Okay, something was just here. All right, ever love. I'll say text him a sweet and a loving message in the middle of the day and make him aware tonight is going to be special night. Wow, tonight is going to be a special night. Just alone, with that alone, say na adwene e ma ne kama. Odo for me I can say we won worry ya shall draw snow. Yo. Sika says, before both of you leave for work, whisper into his or her ears that, honey, we have much tonight. It really gets you in the mood and you can't wait to get home early. Or the medas, yes, so. Gee. And so one of the contributors, I can say, as a baby fieno, what it can be between us. Yes, it can be between us. And that's alone. No, once I done because I know me pentamo, oh, me pentamaco, what's all the honey colleagues, you know, and then never also me coffee and temp, maybe they found Colano, my banters, no, whoa. Why do they do fear? How good. Remember, I was and Madame Niho and Colano was me coffee and temp. No, the excuse. So, I say, I do done it, but come coffee and temp. A young girl, do a mudufi and temp. Na ye to ye ama bibia aye kama na aye de so enti ne ye beto atwa so minim in fact minim kwa ye binom so fa so na omode si omukumo se ene ye ni ye ho ana ene bedime ana ene sei ana sei enti no ene ba activate phone lines ne intem na afa ye de ato so na me sa akona abo aten ho wo se no ka bacho wo se e ma bi wo ho a omo fere obi wo ho a obi ya ye ne fe but ono ankasa entimi ye obi ya na onya nko be ye bi nso no ate fere bi akekere no but we enya fere awa fa no mo fere mo ho se e wukun abibi apesa one ne ye what you say ne ye wukun ye se o fere because ye ni je de e ka aware no ho aware no se sa ne ma ni nyina ani ma aware na e do mo na motimi joku mo ye sa ne ma na aware na e band mu together e ma mo hu se enuanu mo bi what you say e futo ba ko a mepese mema owa ni bi ase ma wonde mo yiri awade no ma oni mu kun awade no enye se de na mo twempra no wo se ye ma yen attitude towards each other exam na ye twempra na eye man some kanema ye so easy they be na you at ease na wo fa ne se aware ne na afa no wo za no aye bom enye obi na ye bom e wona wade ase de but majority carries the vote what you say e ba na die mu a e bi nkwa feel se eye bone what you say enti obi ho ni mpa se ne yire ho ni nufu mpo keke abefefe o se mi Kristo ni me feel ano na enye den enso bia nufu fefe no eno ne ma oyire ne ho to no yeah obi okwa obi a ho fefe ni kun kote onso ke ema no but be ma ne kwa pese wodi nkuto be ye wonsem na waso kote ni mu keke na wadandan no kakra ma no eno kwa no oso onye akwa no se kote no ya ma bebre nya ombe fefe by the way mema no ne me be ho mo nti ase de here ebi akote no ehunye ehunti na ehunti a ma hunti obi wo ha wo ka onti o obi wo ho a be ma bi wo ho a wankasa kwa pesa wo save ade no ma no o no hu se ade no afu ana se wo hu se ade no me yire mpenti e se ne open e se me yema no me bebre nti ma ya se what you say o monti ya se so na oba bi a 3 days 4 days bi obe shevu ni ade no ono de ofo se hwi ni ho nti ehu hia se bi a kakra na ho no meyi what you say nso ade se wo de wa no wo kofe na se wo ko na bibi akaka wo fo se bibi wo ade se wo mante be fu kakra bi na ehwan e bibi aha nti mema na so mo ti ase hu se ye do wom so wo ye wom ho na ye pa ye be na wom so mo pa ma won what you say aha because be ma so ba wo pesa wo leke na se na se ho no ehwan ye nita wani nji se wo de uti be ko ho what you say wani nji ba se wo ko ho na wani de bia ho ye nita de bia wo pesa wo ye dan wo ko ho wani nji se wo ko ho na wani age ndi ade na mema ye ndi tembia no ne pese mo mo je na ye ma na ye ndi mo ye ye ka mema very difficult mo ye difficult but ye ndi ni mema pe no mostly ma de ye timi ye ma wom ndi wom so mo nti ase na wom hu se ye do wom
Nti no ne aye pe no omo yema yen.
Yo, Mate. Maxwell, me babe kind Adom FM Facebook messages here. Abba. Maxwell said, Akuma Mama Zimbi, I love your show and it's very, very educative. Stay blessed, my brother. Thank you so much. Emmanuel, sir, I'll call her and tell her tonight. Hey, baby, I'm just going to swim in your pool. Wow. Hey, more wet, so more wet. Brass, no. Fatih AJ, hey, Fatih, how are you, my sweet daughter? It's been a while. Fatih said, you can also give him a nice smile. You're looking at his face. Mate, to see the enemy of her, a sign. Who was our down for be? Now, who said, Kaka no switch any kuna? Now, a sign. Make I say what the opposite of a sign.
Because I saw who corner or baby person or bahon, who community be a Syria, or sister Joe Kunsa, and so who say. Only person me fini into Silen by a sign, one of the signs.
Okay. Shine Okransa. Oh, I just joined. What's the topic? We're talking about preparing your husband on your wife's mind before he or she gets home to make love. What are the things? Auntie, Shine, read the comments and I think you can join us so beautifully, right? So do that. Mama call me bisa minyabema asembi. Aya nana boaten. No can asem no. O can say ye wedding be. Na ne sister wedding. Na ne esini sreso. Head na wo nua ba wedding besi wo sreso. E ma be ma no be ba wa no wo.
Yo Akuma.
Yes.
Money adwuma pa oye.
Me da se.
De ntia ma me ka se eye wedding na esini sreso ya ne say. Mete eye East Legon ajenga nsanem di kan kan.
Okay no.
Na mini aban ba betra me nchen.
Oh, okay.
Ot me nchen ya ne be ma no edi be hu no.
Okay.
Inti ni yo ni be ma no ewo ho be ma no nso so eye presby asofo nketua ni bi.
Okay.
Inti abawe tra me nchen ya kopim bra ye wadi wi ansa na wo ko be ma no eho. Oh, inti na esimisra so a enya sam ketua kra. Me ho ana odi hu be ma no. Me and me yama ware ne baso.
Wow.
Me ni me kasa kire be man. Unim ansa na ware ne baso say nyame amamu anka ware na amaso.
Sa
Omkokofa between na. Ni we kase o wa ni be man akonsu na sam no de a kire ni pa akro. Ni wa pori to oba na dwen. O wa no oba nso konsu na sam no de a kire ni pa akro no pori to be man nti ni metimi wo se me nua no ni be man no. Aya no mo ko aya no wantwu Kasa wo mo ntam na dade nti me frɛ be man trance and me frɛ oban trance me chese what is going on was my miss my sister say ne oban am person me war no waye me frɛ oban was my miss me say and be man am person
and tonight is one experience between relationship emwa Ebu okwa no I jealous on the way. Entina ebia ne kondo ba no na ne kondo be ma no na afo wa chance polluti we adwen polluti we adwen. We be ba ho no ne hihye ho.
Akuma me se me ko mu no. So ni pa kro na wo ye sa na okuta ma mayo amiensa a wo munya nware entini ka wo pe be ma no ade amane ba mayo ne ma mayo no ba ko. Enu ntina mo confusion ekoso a ama me nua ba ne ni kru ne kokokokro to me yan me ma be man me chiri be man ko trans me man woni Jack unsa wonni mo dodi unsa ntino aba me nua ba no aba na se so ba bete se frawa no and me pese wo be ma ada person bia de aba relationship no wo bibia wo no oba na nka anu achi me frɛ me nua ba no and me tu no fo se won so wo bibia echi wa dua na wo bibia pese wo share woni be man no susu
ni between and in free ho. Good.
I know the boy ma ware ni timi ya successful. Omo 1 month in program my.
1 month in my. Oh my God.
Omo say bibia nka omo between and say bibia mo.
Wow.
Mimi ya wo me no me ni awarefo na atenti me ni much about aware
ye de nyame ase yes wo sua de ebi ni awarefo be nanti bebre so mu sua hwe ebi de won wade na niam asai enso bi de nyame ase e de ma na na bo atenie se wo de usua de ampampo se mo ne wo no dofo ma hya mo dross men ne onya kukudura betena he because he Odo Ahomaso no radio and television obi eba nya kuduro basa na wo betwa antro de a esewala oh wona wo kan ye na se wo boa esewala
nya me ne hata before God am me be a Christian ni mapa
yo
ye ntimi ntwa antro de bia
mate enti na me nso ba me mpam wo se kono wonya nya kuduro so beba no me ma atena se enti na ye nkomodie no won san koye one way and koye how to prepare your wife's mind or your husband's mind when he or she comes home for you to make love but rather no ye nya a very wealthy visitor a guest here in the house and all stress said that they are going about on relationship and it's so educative, it's so entertaining. And to one so at 8:35 Obana din fear him
Obana so 25
10 years difference.
Yeah
10 years oh they be
Abraham ne Sarah no Obana 190 Nyankopon ma say 10 years no ba Abraham ne Sarah and so more than a very 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 successful mate oh share Adam any Eve nyame bo Adam no otwen for 10 years and so no di forever.
In fact, I love your faith. When so worry be ma owo gidie say no betimi de nsema to Bible ho a hwe ubufu kura ubu enche
Bible ma
na betimi ama akoma abrase pa Yankopon enkoso enhirawo Yankopon enkoso enhirawo. This is more of the things that Odo Ahomaso can do. Say empower kind of cry. In fact, the whole wide world 19 years ni Odo Ahomaso na so bia be kan no kre obi betimi aka asem ma a Odo Ahomaso ya ma in their relationship their marriage ya and kenye ni but I really appreciate you. I appreciate you. Why are there papa but na mon kase ya wetu. In fact, on this note no me do be kan resource persons no
okay
na wa ba be tu ayem ranten baba wafo a omo wo efensen empatwe mu so ho enti me de wa kan straight why me days a obeye okay na etimi etu omo nsofo no metimi atwen it pays to wait what you say yo Martin
me oba no only problem o age no
oh makasa chenwa from day one
kasa sen
me share no na no beginning no me share no the first week na me share no is say and then na me chain 10 years nka wonya obi a wa chain best 5 years ya nka be okay with it
okay
and na me chain say mami so we Christiani osia we Christiani for Bible bra na me nkyere wade ekito abi
wow
and am chain say Abraham Bible si wonya emfi oha and Sarah nso nya emfi aduokron
but say Abraham le Sarah 7 Ghana
very good say nya metimi ya de bi ema ni situ anase eboa ebinom awarefo anase oba ne okru binom a yen so say nya mekro na ne yen so yesum na nya say nya mekro na ne di na chinti no o si eforo na kwan na wonno so say na be obeye bibi say na oyebo adika for be bibi the same thing.
I love your faith. I love your faith. Emma say no amanati ase. Na omo de enkwasa nya problem. 10 years difference. Even do 20 years. 30 years, 40 years. Or in no Ghana for maybe on worry more phone call baby.
O worry. Na edu baby mo do wunye mfresu bi. Na fe wuntimi ye adwuma. O ye so oba no.
There be adwuma ba wuntimi ndi no a.
Wuntimi ndi na. Oba no. Ne rasin be eten.
Mo enunti no ebri na ebri nyina no mehwese mehwe me ho so ye ana fe so ye ka be ma pan se be ma betimi agira na so be ma everything oponduane ye di ani so ayenom ani ka mo trantwe ni nneoma bi nura ayenom go ewidem ni ade nyina no onyankopon tumfo no ono no mo nipa hoden ono mo nipa timi nyiche because David oya kwakra poso anu ene ho hwe enye yie eduru ba bi no oman panifo nyina hia ye afa agina tuo bi se yenko kroyi mu nyina Israel mamu na yenko pe oba ne ho ye fe pa en famre David ne de brenu a obi okay na bema na nyi ache omutu sa na mo no ema David etimi nyi
etna che ye
Enunti Nyamia me sumo no.
It's okay. Emilia me da say. In fact, I love your faith. Me see me the work on Odo Ahomaso straight. But I love his faith. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Once I was say ye kwan no e wo Odo Ahomaso no ye bebre. E say obiara na adwen a odi tie. But what you say? Enti we ebeboa. Catskis big grant me nya adwin say kwan fa ntum nanten ma ba we bifu say
I don't know where boda.
So I love his faith. Me do account straight up. Baby I do must be activate phone lines no. Now so chere ba ja chere me say so person would do you do ku am science no. Eh net say o science no. Eh net say yo obi say I'm jogging sa. O ba me say you say up and down. Hey say hey. Let's just say I saw my see whatever. I don't know. Nana bedi den no asre say mo de he. Mo de asma kan kire o. Adishmaima 0302216561. Hey. 020 yeah. 0268499347. 0302216562. And then Namesia will bet to me afre na fe won so wetimi acha badwene e wo Odo Ahomaso. Yo na we adwuma ben.
When Yamia don't me 120.
We are 1212. Now be do 3434 there.
Let me go school be any maybe.
Afen we school. Yo me dan say. My main family next caller. Me ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso. Yo me dan say. My main family next caller. Me ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso. Me pa mo chow me hu se mu tie me pa nti no mo ma mo radio volume no emra form and sign am afra into the show me ma kwa abadi ba Odo Ahomaso. Hello when to me enyina so yo also ya 1212 we are 1212 and oban so adwuma ben
ono so no ono so e business kakakra
sawo ho okay. Munko so nche mo ho so. Me ma kwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso.
Mountain.
Me da se. Me dia ba.
Oh my baby.
Yes, asa woni wo for madan. Yo, wani aje de? Okay, yetie o.
Na last we say yeah, wedding 30 years girl.
Yeah.
I'm here last day, you were 30 years.
We are virgin, no. And as make assistant me text message, one sign you.
Oh, me pacho man.
I didn't pacho, would you send me text message? For call 0, bet me a send text message there. Okay, send me text message. You know, I say maybe I'm the virgin. Wow. Now, for call 0244 26 1200. Why?
Oh, okay.
Apart from that, person can be Bibiana.
Saying that was in a Mishram.
Yo, yo, me that say. Today send me text message, you know. Now for you to come on so and free or what? Yo, mate, me that say, papa. Yeah, and remember be a virgin in Ghana. Yo, me ma kwa ba di ba Odo Ahomaso.
Madam so.
Mama. Dada teacher.
Hello.
Yo, yet you.
Yo, me that's it. Mommy.
Hello. Hello. Line na article. Yeah, na dey me say jam sa. Mo banya botra dey ma me papa because no amanfo agya so say call. Me ma kwa ba odi ba Odo Ahomaso.
Modon so.
Me da say wo din baby afrefre.
What you FM see to make us pitema.
Me da say breast here do yeti o.
Mo program we am tipa na manfo adansi dey on bidi was no. Betimi say bo ba me ko na me da. What's the one kwana woda? Na wedding fia he.
Many more 30.
na 30 years na wonkwa na woda dia se wo na wapese wonkwa na woda because remember bebre ho mo di 30 years a wo ma wade 28 kura ware enti afo be ma me blame se wonkwa na ada dia ana pese me pa oba ma
menya sanka me pe because misro
e dia no hu nti a usro
tema no man se de ye bo mudin ye bo ebi ni mudin tema menti hu se ye bia de ko fa na ti se mo ye bo mudin sa no
da bi menti de o kana se bie mu yie na me hwe
ese tema se no e mani bon ma de mo wudin pa ono me bad no mo pe follow me man on ko event o ko fo ko na usru
wa wonyi wo hunni tema krokesi e ma power ho pa
ebi wa pa bet se be ya be hu papa no anya semun
ji wo hundi
entu me ji hundi pa
tu e virgin
menya virgin de
entu so ka hu na ma na se no what did the bia ja wo mo e ma be e ma be nsia ma wa kwan mu
nsia
ene ma hi na bo akwan mu wantimi anwa wo mo
ya kwan sa wa yo again the make no board ma onen be ka se mo ya majo ba ko ma na nteno obe hu na mo be hu no na mo ha
ate eno nche se ma satama e ma pa bebre ho hwe ko koto dwanim na bompa ye ma wurade se onfa oboni nyina nchew na onyi wo fimpade enfa mawo obeye dia ma ododo obehia na mra wo kwa asori obehia na ma pon asori koba obehia na ma pon adwuma obehia na ma wo fi baabi eba se wa adwen ni wa koma mu tse na wo ye de nyame pa oh eya na niama ye fofofo ate
atmo mazing
oh me da se papa oso no nkwa na odo awodi mi o me nkomeda
wo nya virgin na tema so akwama na fa so akodi wonya bidie
se wi asene no wa boa ma niama na se no afa na no uja ho yo me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso
modon so
medasio medase udi me bia frefre
aguma
papa
so kan ma fiu
es ma fiu pa o
oh ma fiu papa na nyako for on shra we shra dada
amen
on ko so en shra
amen
na enka o yema de nyina na wasefo nso me yen shra
hallelujah
oguma we de mes manu ha on se wajuma de yesu ne ma bebre
ya
enti ne ma bi ko so na se e de ye tretre na eye wo se David ye ko fo ba no ho fe pa bra na wa ba kokora won tena fa no ho anka no when tria fa no an Canada nature nature e ma wonyi dru he aware bebe ba ma ku ne yiri ni ade ba ma wanyini no akwara bayua so no ahoden no ntumi enya no sene na wo ya abamu a yenyina si ya abamu a sene yenyini sabi wo ya abamu a ko ba so sabi me plan na ni mensa ni bebi a wanyini no ko ba kokura na ire nti our real difference ni there but nature no we yes say there say we did say there nkra na untimi perform adwuma senya oye bamua it is engineer too much I do how be brave but na use research be brave ehun say onwe kun won yire no ni ade suspect ni say na ho ade ni ho nti ba no ni ba ma kasa kakra bia no suro say bia
enti na sumbie ni fie na ye ntokwa ni ade
Inti ene me bebu na fesu be ka se Abraham na gopon bo Adam no 10 years no san bo Eve no eni Bible mu be bia
yo so for
Anthony eno kre ba eni Bible mu be bia
yo
se yi age da hu san na gopon bo we aso obobo we inti yesu na me bia o se so bia tienti no ese ye hwe na no kra no etimi de tu ni yie bia obetimi no ba tena so okaso no ba tena dem bet 1 year ya sabi unfa ho kan ma oba no ko ma me no papa ho enu ne friend say nti unu say wetie kuma program wanyo sua ho ma oba no ko papa no ma me ho na mu siesie mo ho fa ware mu wi a akwa ware na betena with them we so to me for ban share them 2 years oni nda dem Bible so when odi eja begun kukum a enhye no Bible na kan yo nyam na me kan also to me for eja ngu kukum menhye enti se wetie kuma program na sa so ani a ma oba no ko papa no ma me ho na fe mu siesie mo ho nti mu siesie ho na se mo ho se wa ho aso aware na wa ko en ho ade fefefe wo de na ba won chen anya frɛ no se wetie anya mu afutuo na nye so do ba no be hye wo dem be se 1 year se e hye dem se e hye dross.
Also for Tony, I can't stop loving you.
I'm me church me bi me church ni me mu yi na amanfo nso nye musua ho. E say dia fa mu abenye osua ho bebre. Ya we mpanifo.
Yo, also for Tony. I am me na anka ye be sorry so no. Ka me bye ni me bi akyere no. Be san say me what wise men and women amutie me no. Wonso dia futu we ba edakwa mu pepepe.
Okay.
Edakwa mu papa. Ba ke wie na oba be kwa because me as I will say be am person oko. Me person won say he's opening up. Won so on my quotation Bible won say or can be and I won so wetie e dey futu abayo.
Okay.
Aha. Enti ke be so we akọ de Sir Petro any Manchester ntra.
David.
Ka ba me smeka akere no.
Yo, oba on na dada wo say me dey share them 2 years me from home kan.
Asa fanto me da se ba de mo na ba so so wa ya de o se business e koche na e be so se e sorry na e sorry nso a e wo de omo ye. Enti ba asa fanto ni. Oh, osofo ko. Ka me bi san say obeso odi na ire no a sign be na oye. Osofo nim san badwane no. Osofo fanto ni nimpan badwane ko no. All right, because of a course, no, we were renowned listeners. You always clear the path, straighten it up for us, and I'm so grateful. Nanka mamu himself be kwa me wodi me be jana kwa mo omonso mienu nyina etimi atiase. And number sabe frɛ 0302216561 0268499347. And then come on, yeah, boss e kwa me na me fa so esiesie wo yire ene wo kwa dwen se be obefie edie no ebeye mre ebeye akono ebetimi ahye na emu nyina de me ma akwa di Odo Ahomaso
yo mama zimbi bacha me sit me na masamba bi
yo yetio
na me se me wa sembi azanka me nyana nka me ne mo adi ho nkomo off air
the chairman's made me na mama anambwa
e pache
and off air the chairman me wie program why see edu
e pache
me da se papa e abotre me ma akwa di Odo Ahomaso. Hello. Line ni jamu si e o.
Hello.
Yeah, hello mama.
Yes, dada. Na ti say.
Oh, good evening. Oh.
Good evening. Udin baby free. Oh, hello, daddy.
Yeah, Pacha me kasa free Laura.
Hey, Nora.
Pacha, Miana.
Me da say, Udin baby free.
Pacha, your friend me John the disciple.
John the disciple. Thank you.
Me Pacha.
Yes, you.
Me na me di ma sem to wenima Nyankopon adom. Wasem no ya so abapa bebre.
Wona wo tu kwan bank 2 weeks a wo yiri obi come pass.
Me Pacha enyo.
Oh, aha.
Yes, you. Nyankopon ya doma ochina mefro of air. Na ya dim kombo papa bi. Asem no a wo di tu me for any sofo no. Ya so abapa.
Wunya enya oba fofra wa no.
Nyankopon ya doma sa pepepe.
Ento pese me ba Laura ho.
Me Pacha me se nyame ya doma mefro of air na ya dim kombo.
Mate, enti ya sanite.
Me chia obeja fo nyina.
Yo, bi eti o ye de nyame ase. Enu nti o de ya send me text message first. Na afi mi hope me mefra. Why? Yo, me ni abe mo fra fi Laura. Ya send me text message. Me who text message ni pe me mefra because ha na me pon program say na e wan edin kakra. Yo, nyame ya adumo. Danu tie wo ho. Papa ibe mama akọ Laura sesie o. Na me nim so obetwen be 6 months bi na say 4 months bi. Eno ani chine it was happened last month no.
It will be few no obi ba.
Obi ba. It wanya bi asomu ye. Okrupa ho ye na, oyerepa ho ye na odofo.
What to ho abaka say enye. But bi so opon na ti pekwan awrem.
Me da say. Me ma ko aba di ba Odo Ahomaso.
Odon so.
Me da say my radio volume nimra from kakrampa cho.
Me Pacha you me free.
Me da say. Me Pacha udin me bi afrefri o.
Me Pacha your friend me Eben me free Abelemfe.
Hey, and then cut here the first, so brary there.
Baby, me be in Lincoln School.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll trade you.
Yo, Mama. And I mean, ya Wagana. What you may have, if you say, oh, say again, and answer. If I
already volume no and some from Kakra bin a masoyati.
Yo, if I saw it.
Yepa, Casate you.
Yo, and say, yeah, more for can be because what you always say again and answer. If you see pa, a funny thing, so for Anthony Becan, Minia Bemano. Best Renoir, Omo Banning Connie, Mamma and Papa. Once in the whole soon who swap of a uncle for Ban and Metlan. That's it. Men so made us say, Papa. Now, what worry? About your David. And yeah, Yenya Beman, the able to for boating when you could draw at your back and see a foot on the Adbamanapa. But if I ask someone call. When so if you say I na a dear ent me nkoso our dear papa and I may read dear I no for me kundi no for o mafie ntem me hu ka me mfa so ba pe on ka hwenkyere me no a shy so ba be di me some abrekra wo hu enti yes prepare the person's mind before you get home me ma ko about the Odo Ahomaso. Hello. Enti de kan say mom yensiesie no madwen yensiesie ku no madwen e bi say surprise e bi say ni say me ma kwa about the Odo Ahomaso. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Wow, but your radio volume no emra from why?
Okay.
That's
it. Muda hopa.
But you say
me did say a muda house here.
I say muda ho would be be free.
Come on, FM Gilbert.
You're Gilbert.
Make us a free University of Ghana.
Wow. V-mate.
Sharp.
Me that say. Sharp. Yo, sharp. Gilbert here too.
Yeah, being worried yet, but I think that this is a platform where you don't necessarily have to be a driver before you know how to drive.
It's true. But my program cuts across from 18 years and above. So if you're listening.
Sir, only say, you good go there, then 18 years, they come my brother that.
I know.
Until the American say, I think say sex in marriage, you know. Yeah, now, nipa me no, and she say, so the worker say you prepare the mind, you know. Normally, no, in our part of the world, no. Because of our religious, we are notoriously religious. As the share religion to the extent say even our for can something about sex. They see say idea any say omoka. Sorry and apa.
Say fee.
That is it. The commercial and apa bia bema ne ko adwuma na one ne yire dikan aka to o bia nimre. Say you one kind of like as I grow deep bilan ka to nipa na adwemu no omo ni so anapa ya sorry I think you go on the own mom pie bina o de odwen ho ano no oni bibia adwen ba ko betimi aka kire special man na ka kasa dem man ya ready project say oni adwen bi adwen wo ade na odwen ho na buni pana bem nti anyway no be feel adwuma ba no the mind is not prepared for that na adwen ni ho in our break akra the only balance all this one be can hope no who say oh hano nye prepared na dream ni ho ne sa ne manenti. I think there is about time why you be say sex no e kan ya bra bo ho ye po and then ya de so so e fi an kan yakopon kran ko wa mo dem e fi when they say me see a me worry ye no na mini obi yes and only fi but what already yakopon ni no. I think say very clean. I say one can we because you have to do it in alacrity. We would any DNA or pepper be cran and so the ye yakopon say our no any game now they were and say share say worry I come with that say
Baba Gilbert Matse say yes say majority of you guys are legal no my imagine say mo worry because of the things you see.
Akuma ni na ne say on say.
Gilbert, me pese ubenya time about Saturday on the show.
Yeah, mini problem.
Okay. And you know, you Gilbert send me a message into my phone 0244261200. Now me don't discuss a few issues, and then Saturday you come on the show. Yeah, discuss why.
No problem. I'll send you a text message.
Okay, thank you so much, Gilbert.
You're welcome.
Because prepare nipa na dwene. I love it. One say, my Mr. Gilbert in the age, but sharp. Be cry okay. Na ne mama ne papa attitude no. Me see bia. And na even adamfo bi de ekoso omu fie complain no e na walking. Wo yeah. Why na adwen say o kasa o sen say hwi ni na adwen. We so na adamfo ka dey o unua. O kon see de o ka kire me. Say hwi ni na adwen mu say.
Die bua.
Aha. Me ma kwa ba de Odo Ahomaso.
Hello, Odo.
Me da say, udin baby afrefre.
If I saw him on to me, I think say.
Yo, now what to say?
I saw me who ye pa na muso.
Am ya dum, what ye nka say ya. Na dum bi na ready adum ye, ni mobro hu ara, ene da so ti ase.
Amen.
Amen, yetio.
If I saw age difference na mpese me bisa.
E wo he find ya nka age what kind na bo atian asem no. Oh, say 10 years. Okay, we are listening to you.
Say Bema so ba no su chen Bema no so e.
Say oba na nyi chen Bema no a. Ana ne kese na oka.
Debbie.
Book age wise.
Yes.
Anyway depend. What I know ni say oba ibu ha na ekokro pa. Oba ibu na ekokro ate se me. Enti so wedi me fan say 45 years kra wo so band ekokro ate se me na op exercise here or you active now so wedi 45 kra wo na ba ka say 25 and 35. But if your baby wo ha so 10 gram ni pakese na say o age sa no obo abrewan temper enti no brand society ti me chemontem. See, I was so to me share that figure. What you say?
Ayo. Na pacho. Miso kwa me faso ene meyire eye no say.
O pese wudi na e kwa odi siesie na adwe na abeka kire.
Media me ni dware.
O e ko dwantwi ya na me dware.
Me ni dware. Inti ejwale ni nya na adwe ni wo kwa na je say you wura dem ma na ko.
Teto bia odi ni we dware ho.
Oh, David. I know the Nicrom kwa ye chiwade.
Oh, okay, yo.
Ndi yeah.
Yo, mate. And any town you be dware bia onim so obedi no.
Enye all the time. Ebra be baso no ye wura dware ho na ne sign na happy.
Okay, now you don't so opese odi won so a say no ye.
Onu so sa. Ye wura dware ho na no ahia se keka ni nsem.
Ensem ben sa no ta keka.
Oh, are maninjali we. Mami chuchu you we chima na sa ne ma no na wan wo say agindi aba.
Eno so asebasi, we no we ma worry how many years?
Oh, you wale be 28 years.
Beautiful, because mami nware wo. Mami chu we chini de ye ma me no so odoni bom pa. Na me pa cho we yire wan.
Ze ti ade ye ntamatiti ansa.
Oh no. Montam si a che.
Afia chum.
Oh, and by God's grace you can come back. Ana person oba back.
Oh, no kwa na mpe.
Oh, sir. Anyway, didn't bad the power.
I know I be hu.
Okay, and me pacho Odo Ahomaso ni. Yes, manisi. And Yankopon sansu so e Odo Ahomaso mu. Ebi kwa de atimi jan 5 years 6 years. Enso nyame ye mane ye fe. E ma ye de no tumu a odi enim kan e ma ye toye. Enti pacho obetimi send text message.
Me pacho you.
Yo, enti send me text message with her number. Anyone so the enable didn't say we've separated for a year now. I call into the show. Now me say the nyame betimi aye wate.
Yo.
Pacho wo de to so a mebo na mano na afa unso atimi achro. Why?
Yo, me dase.
Men so me dase. In fact, the truth must be told. Papa no wakane wafine nkasa. Me bonya me so mpaye. Say ordin text message ni ba. Na me fro ba no so nkasem. Makai mi kuno. Ma fi mi kuno. Na yenya manenka. You see so dey asem cha. Na mfa hwenche ye. E dey na nsi da. Se nye se wodi uba wuo. Na wodi ni uba wuo kra fa che. Hwe niam ye. Hwe niam ye. Na Nyankopon odi che yen.
Sese so ba ma mu de.
O say
what me are rejecting and as what almost separate.
Oh, so 1 year. Oh, 1 year there be. Shemai. Ebe ye. I believe. Memo akwa about the Odo Ahomaso. So sorry. So sorry. But you bet me a friend to the show back. It is your show. It is our show. I may believe it's obvious, soon, dear. Now, say every Wednesday topic side, baba. Any Saturday topic side, baba. No, it was so beer. It means soon, no soon ye. In fact, may the same position, baba, was Saturday. Say, man, every Saturday, beer. Na me de a dear. No, me de a man, mama would di. Aha, na I say fe enti munko so enye double yeah e man so mani jimu o say akoma ye easy dodo say the be man no akwa ni say na ni nsa hye say na me so mete ne so o say e so comfortable enti mun ni double ne kakra ma me nyame adon me nda we be the new sex positions ebe mamo love you much me mo akwa ba the Odo Ahomaso. Oh, so sorry mpamucho wo misremo line na jam to win. Me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso.
Modern so akuma mamazimbi.
Medase.
Adada titoni wa kama.
Amehu.
Medase.
Yo.
Mamintia medofobia. Mebe wano.
Adada ticho mesrao. Kama asam ni enko. Mempo ha.
Ayo medasi. Mami si o de mami akuno di mi omo mami e ban framam. Aye kofi a opama de ewo asamanka.
Da ticho mabubo wo.
So omo na mo beti enka omo.
Debi mi mami nka bi nhyira mo. Mami fa ekwan menko gina so. Bes mi fa akonya we so ho. Na mi educate obi a. Yeso obi ni ma obi kire. Say program be koso now free program na. But more than so be contributing into the what we are saying. Who contributes to me pa chow and person me share do fu bi no mu. Na but me share do fu no mu. Na so wo frɛ na person wo share obi first ah. The OT wo fie no boring. Honestly, is so boring. About what I say. And you know contributing to the topic we are talking about. Now for person me share do na say oh share wo mo. What you say?
That's mama kuma ye say adwin ni papa ko petri.
Okay.
That's say watchre me.
When person obi afa, pacho eti okasa.
Science any actions obey ya. Abe mo hu say odofo. Udinu ana say mudi mu ho. Me de obeda me tada ya. Ba me debutu ana o say ni amade butu ni. Na bedemi
yes sir ubutu dia wunni na oda ya dia abedi
oh and they said there for Israel obano me da butu a na say osisi achi titiri ni omo wotoma no na said the friend kote starter no egu ase dia bedemi nsa be hihim no won say eduma e baso ana nyame aye ya dom so ayewo ahomatrofo a ahomansa so yi na mafro na previous one yeah me a meeting say normal we yeah
and then pedano nkwan bi
ebunu ni rere nkwan no na ma tro say na oba yo no obi fi krum be ba no me a mu no obi be say me TV ani ma fa me graphic me kan stories about the whole
story that what kind nko wuti because what dey na wodi ere so
nyeta me kan stories no me she book my imagine previous one na maunte eno na me de ko e friend group ma so 442 and say 441 and 53
111666
na maunte na me de ko ni banye di atro obi be se ku wankata na atro paper me na ma agenda so
But mama didn't dampana is you on so. Orthopedic papa bino.
So the chia would often neanko.
You made as a mamincha Kofitela on no pamata debia. Mammy, and not some mechanical different from Mammy and Monabas, Namana Fisher Pansu. Na mentre omo pama dia samanga simpatem na ombra Kofitela.
Yeah, tell me that say that teacher. Thank you so much. Yo, adeshima we program na ne Odo Ahomaso wonya ne baabia ha na education ne wo ha na information nyina wo na hanso na entertainment ne wo me that say wo mre me na oni me call from afe to afe month to month baabia Ghana we are afa na nyina all the regions nyame adom va internet no obia ehwe wo mo hwe mo phone so na mo tie e wo mo phone so na mo dampem baabia wo bia no wotimi tie Odo Ahomaso ema yie eto yie me that say wakuma so ade nyina nyankopon enyema na mo de ebe me de ene me mpanifo so de say nsempa na ye ka no mo me ntu ni nyina ho anamo na yetu ho anamo a ebe boa ye yie pa ma me fa me next caller me ma akwa ba de ba Odo Ahomaso
akuma modon so
me da say
me akwa ha mi o
Mr. Jaben
Davi we ye obibini ba akwa maka wabure
oh yo etio
akuma mama ifo ni aduma pa moye
yeah
akuma woni bebe
je wakan
no de me wa aduma mu awon na medical afre no se na de ba omes abeba so nto no so betu na ni ayira se woni mu hwe se na ba omes na de video ho no akaso uni problem mi ti ma ya me de Ese kuma sade meye guma won
sa
me na da mi trim dem me de pa am sada na me gbo guma papa
yo
ante akuma ma me so nchia obi na me so me fi ahoma no so wai
mate
okay we dey aye mi se jewu aye next MP for agree me chia ne di more than that's why
you order say adeshima mama who say edie esiesie ni padwen edini to the right path and then gives that person the right mindset and sometimes we kwa adwuma bia na nkofo amram na no just say edie na nkoyie
bad day yes
very bad day it must stremo awafo no mo mama mo yire mo enya easy to work ekunu sunya easy to work because edie no tie de bi ni kan ye wo se otimi ye adwuma ye be papa
otimi ye oda otimi ye adwuma no ahode mitimi be show mu ma omotimi oda no wo ba na ko otimi say ene de I stronko ama
I stronko beautiful me ma akwa ba de Odo Ahomaso
hello mama
yes dada
good evening mama
good evening sweetheart now frefi
but I'm very going to before
and I say yet you
mama me wo program papa
oh what day
mama tam na me ne girl bi ho
o be kan o no girlfriend asem
but na me ne wo na ni se ba ye na mo bo me ka na me si sadia be
o ni abafo mo kasa de ni entie
but na me ne girl bi ne ho ana ni se ba ye nti ni se ba no na mo bo me ka na me so okay sadia be
ombo ka he
ombo me ka 20 million
2000 I said 20 million
2000 and I'm seeing here nti no me guso ame to akwala na nyama kaka be 2-3 days na get on family kasa but me mean the reason why is again on family kasa nti no fear na bibi pressure me say me ko fie ho nti me ko ye no ye ko impona ma di yam say ni nya bi no ne kasa notice ko no ye na me so catch me pan so ba on to sasu spray and brain ntina ma di yam say nipa no ebi obeba recent na nti gina wa me yebo 2 nipa namba
meba ukon hot time ben
me kon ho be 9 o'clock
enwumre 9 p.m.
mpacho an
ena wo so ni obi kasa se wo ba on to sasu spray mre no
mpacho an
nti de unim se ehwa na ye wo se oni be ma na ekasa
na me kra ma di yam se ni nia bi na no ne kasa but nothing say or yako.
Okay.
Nti honum na meti say or catch nipa ne say on to sa to Spain ben nti ma gem say nipa no beba that very time no but nipa namba.
Enti wo kra ne say wo kọ e na wo to baby sa na.
Ba jo say.
Wo kra ne say wo kọ e na wo kọ to baby ana.
Man kra ne say me kọ no ne men kasa be 2-3 days.
Oh, okay.
My friend cry on family call. Sometimes we discuss command cry me discuss fa window na me get out and over for na me dem adan.
Wow.
You know. Saturday na me oche ni ban on to sasu spring ben no. Ade chin Sunday no.
Na there be o kasa na men jump nya botre kwaku. Nya botre kwa me. Nya botre kwasi. Wo say o jira ho ma 2 a.m. boy ka ba no to aso.
Aha, enti honom no nipa namba.
O nim say nipa na de ade ne ba sesi a.
Aha, but nipa namba.
O twen sa mosquito spray na ede.
Mpacho, ina me twen na me hu nipa ode ade ne bebre no.
Aha.
Enti nipa namba. Ade chin ya yebo eno me abo be 10 o'clock. Me da na bibi pressure me say no. Me nko gen ho.
Aha.
Me koye na o kasa nda se na me betu se na no ye ko nti na maji em se ko na no ye
odi mama fa onko achi kakra enti na u jina from 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. no 4 solid hours, right? Na wote kwan ho na wote bia ba na u jina he
bi jina ni window ne chia o ye ko ame so mitie
enti onim se wo ba around
bacho devi
wow enti window ne chi na u jina sa 2 a.m.
Bachuan.
What? And obi e hu am
konfo. Oye ko no so 1 hour na akate. Na wa sen afre ni biem.
Enti obi e hu se ugina edan na chi ho.
Mpacho de bi.
We are lucky o dan say ye bobo ankrofo yi. Wo de aka say.
Enti mpacho ade chi ye na ye bo be 10 o'clock.
Enti wo san follow up.
Mpacho ade chi Sunday me san po ho. To me ko na okasa o de nti na ma je em se kon no ye.
Okay.
Me why na onyam 7 months 3 weeks.
Wow, wonim sa wona onyem no.
Mpacho an ya bo me ka ma toto akwala na ho nyoma ne ade ade nyina.
Yo, to aso.
Inti meti ni se o ka cheni pan so onto ne boase no be prano.
What say?
Mama, meti se o ka cheni pan se onto ne boase no be prano.
That means okay, koswe. Na ye dey.
Inti metewana meti se no nipa na kasa, be ma kasa but again no one papa fee inti no boy ni untimi nkasa din ba again no ye o kasa din. Inti hona na me fast. Na mbe frame madam for back we say on me witness na me girl no wakofa be ma fofa be she demo
ye di no oh brother me pa cho frɛ no frɛ back hey there be but hey be na on say be abranten say no wanyem no and so ban anim so onyem no enyo no enti we say enti me blame oba nansa me pa cho frɛ bio na yehwe say pere won some ba ya yeah imagine my baba e bia so ya din ho enti ka mo bedi mu kwa na mo share condom anka stress yi wo de hwe de ko mu wakosra obi onim se wabo innocently no ababo ni nim se obi jira ni window achi usay no mo ya mutimi ni kuma ni mema no
se ni papa fie ni papa ya obo obi ka no ede na be ma fufu timi be fie ho
so we wia na ho
na akosho
we wia na ho akosho mama fa next caller me ma akwa ba di bo Odo Ahomaso me da se bibi ya kwen radio no kakra yeah hello
Kajaye
kasa
kuma we dey mama mo abazu ani ejuma pa o ye do manga
me da se na de na kwen sa no pam chom check mo phone so no hello oh where the empacho san free be na the noise was too much impam chom mo me education commercial mo what way I even start this was guy no lucky you because we you be window achi obetimi aka so otwa baka say abrante wo je dem o so e kronfo
bia kra ni mo
nyame na bua no
bia no kra na ya ko betimi aka so ni mo ye bu kra na
obeka timi aka so ni mo enti odo biti sa na odotie wo ho enti na bo aten
odo wo de ma ge no e too much
enti no be microphone no
Odo what the mageno, I know ye too much. It is what you know, my dear Chino crowd, but who say, I want to be here. I don't to bury now my word in the city. I won't feel it.
Make I those days, Titimono. What me ko Janice, Udofun ko do mango diana say. No, no, so as I be jaw, crime be the abba, or do Benny. Mammy fan escalator, sir. Mema qua about the Odo Ahomaso.
Oh, Madame, so.
That's so dim, maybe a free.
Kasi a quadra of from call.
Your uncle Cobbin out today.
Pacho,
yo, too.
Do some okay. If I brand to be fair, me do me tape, I brand to be fair, and all Cassan and line catches. There was some maybe up to me paper.
But you also dinner window, Nechinana.
But I.
And they also come as some one person or some back. Yeah, audience to say.
Oh, me put me didn't put the end the Brumina or Bruma, the Wabrum by me.
Almost so much, almost as a more show. I didn't see.
Like, and the thing you say, by Sana, you say no by Yamia. No, the same day, I mean, I'm here, the meaning, and I'm so okay. Some namin than my the matches. Until that could mean you home and Madame for the family, Memo Shade, let me see you, Marty. Cocoa, I'm being now in any mean. I need dinner soon. Na mi chumo home, many madam for near the could chumo home to my mind the will. The amena my de mabason. To me chum coin them could jam with a friend and miss and no way in front of Swada. Namisada, no senior, Ada, in your misan and penevas and no Swada.
If also, no friend or Swada. In you.
Namisu can the water than the Marty and one I know see you. To John would run them confirming Madame for the head and your best son, Mr. Obia said that than would they mean the hammer. Found me, they me how found. Or found them, okay, in the I have to tomorrow morning that was me no my room. We have a good minimum night and album on the boy, not here on the family. The son being no in the John, being no shining him more the Basham, Madame, and I the monument.
Okay.
She's a musician, beside for Miss Lumbisa.
And see a bass, I didn't see a brew, yeah, me be a beat in a bayano.
She opened them because I am a Malcolm or sorry. No boy, no, in John, so me at them, Buffuna at the Melbourne, to Melbourne on the coach guys or there, but the mamma or at the Wobrum. Oh, sorry, I. Nti I musician, Miss Lumbisa for Panty. I better Miss Lumbisa for Binum, and ye and ye, why? Ma'am, Pacho, Miss Afudis is a mission. Debbie, tear me educate too. Miss Slow and maybe. Pacho, tell mammy or bar. Pacho, mammy, say. Pacho, who's slow, mammy? Pacho, Debbie. Good. And too slow, maybe. Why? Pacho. Great, but yeah. Emma, where would you see a baby? Wait till I make her say, Mamma Nimo, Homo Chemprana, in some say, NTO. When you mean a bow, I said you could chow man crofway. Keep it near boy prepare deform or granasa or will be crying my cock or jew. Because at that point, no band pretend is so nimo. Correct. This time, my teacher, my 2 program get 3 years in this child. My 4 foot in the bed.
Hallelujah.
And the woman who saw which was 1 4 foot 2 woman.
Yo.
Number 2 Bissasimo.
Manemra.
Now, Papa not so no Cassan Pacho on the mamma and Walla there on Wale.
I'm almost see you, Hannah.
Pacho.
There be Nana Watson, the honor so tear me, said you won't so tear me. And see, I will see you, Hannah, or buy, say, or Barbe, Bomber Basso, na where your draws now made they campaign a me some time ago, no, I bow papa, and said, when I made the interview, no, and also can ask him. But Auntie Emilia, the only resource person that me caterer. Yo, I don't know, Bissasa.
Miss Mano, can work as an know why I want for no much.
Oh, Debbie.
Okay.
Yo, yeah, that's that means an amoka say ye pa. Okay, Mammy, a very last caller, please. Mema, Aqua body Odo Ahomaso. Went to me and you so. Do I have a last one, please? Okay. Mesre, mean to me and for call a beer bium. Many a bear man, I walk aside and I would mean bonting from 4 hours. I actually who say will be a D or bano. Hey, Raddy. Ya beto aso Saturday me sermon menti me fa call bia bio me da maso papa me da masin suko e mafa so agimi atom we asi afa na nyinara Ghana ha all the regions amano ni be bia ko Facebook se sia Japan for where India for where US for where UK for where Germany Denmark for you just name it Toronto Montreal France, Italy, Ehifa, Babia, Nyamia, Domon Keke, and to me, for call a I'm so grateful to you. But, Nana Boating, Yamin Shawate, say when you could draw, now what dear ba. Me dear, Ayana Metaika say, Pedro away, and the Manchester, aha, and Tibomodia, Abia Matsna, Ache, and I'm walk home, but ain't Chambawari, a social ho. In social hall, and Timin can be brave, the also for Anthony Kayen, and Cassa, na Kameka Chro, Tibomodia, ne 2 1 more, na Ebebo ye papa, because in Sutobri near Baby Remy, he says so to be taught any time. But what I see, but Tiano says, oh, ye ratty, what the she said, Mammy Fantuano, Mammy found now my brush over her never could dino, that it didn't send be breaba.
Mama Kuma,
yes.
Near a software engineer can wear me brother penny. Sounds so a software and as in your mini part. You may China say, or bad day, only be my veteran. Who shall buy Boumois? And when first will be no beach, you walk on my fat.
Oh, what for men church to memory ho, would a Germanica? Maybe answer our correct too, I will be going to just accept it. Why? Because time, you know, yako. And the idea of foot on my ranting in my bawa, one more chimp na, I want me and show muscle.
Near me catcher a me man and ma or more chimpra, I want me show muscle say. So more per se, on your uncle pon or boss on your say. A man you ma to toya, eh, be a nyomo no mono, I'm a face on me okay. And soon young couple bet me a man, you ma, you okay more than that. Ama omo sani omo si na mu sani omo si na mu nka umbe hu ne chance a enu nti so omo timi ahyo omo so enye easy de bye se umie wani na se ubo onyankopon adom no ubo urade mpa ye oba no bo urade mpa nyankopon bo mpa ye munyam bo urade mpa na urade dom mu a ubetimi aye
hallelujah me that say
nti oba na so be ma wotie mi a wotwempra twe enye
o da be empatwe ye empatwe eye eno ne de rawade mu but the here some metimi ahyam ho so
akuma enye easy de nti ameka se empatwe enye ne say enye easy so oba betimi ni be ma at even class one ne ntimpo ana oho a oba besa oho oba besa enye easy so betimi ahyam dress ama oba no so ahyam dress agesi ni nyina no bompa e kire rade ni nyame ma no nkronkron bom ne ommo adom no ansa no matimi adben ahyam dress
me da say empatwe eye de hia ne so betimi ahyam ho so wo de afa to utimi say enye duane bi ebedo okon na abedie enti wo de sa de nto adwun say enye duane bi ebedo okon na abedie a sa so wo so hu say metwe mpran se ye die ho me da say nana boaten yo mama Emilia
akuma
yes
akuma eme say me say awarefo nyina nkran die ya die bia emamani je emanka bom emodo nti mu di mu ho a mu di mu ho yie emaware ni gina ema enta wata we bia nya de emama adwi mu wo prepare nso a ema edie no eye de wo mu say surprise wo mu but wo prepare a surprise difference wo mu
me da say enti no yenye either each other's keepers na yema ye ne ye ene ana montuo no enye appetizer ema beima na enye appetizer ema oba say me bia person be di mo ho no na ye kama na be di dani ato anote wo esresesa Facebook you the way to another way to her and so you wanna know ye no Bibi so ye as assistant producer Bibi nie Prince Bibi ye da se papa afi na na boaten a unya kukudro otimi bae ya hwefo ne ye tiefo a emre bia no munya ye hoda ne enso nya am hoda ye nim se munyina mu sua dem da se papa ena me nua ba Auntie Emilia Nyankopon enhira wo yie papa na enhira wi biara na nyame adom a ochina e wadom TV so enya agro ebede ebeye kama enti monko so ani double sex position no na memende me de foforo ebebremo wo bom paya na abebi nso ma wo nua ba ko ma Zimbi na yie nto ye to God be the glory.
Thank you.